So yeah, guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start today's video without having the further delay. So basically, in this video, I'm going to tell the routine of 14th December 2024 of the day 374. So basically, what is actually happened in my today's routine video, I'm going to tell you. So from the very first, as I usually do, that is, I woke up and after that I went to the ground floor and after that I sat there. And after that I washed my mouth and after that I came first floor and again I went to the ground floor. I ate food and after that what I had done, yes, I again came to the first floor and throughout the whole day I have not done too much thing if I tell you seriously. And at the time of evening I ate food. I came first floor and I went to the ground floor again I went to the sorry, again, not again, I went to the bathroom and after that I came home and after that I came first floor and after that I used my phone and after that I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's rain video and I already wrote down it here that what is actually happened. So I'm just looking here to here. So after that I am speaking, right? So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened. I hope you really understand this video. If you have really understand this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you likes our videos, really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. And one thing I just really wanted to request you that if you found any kind of mistakes, like whenever I speaks in English, like any grammatical mistakes or any English error mistake, so you kindly please tell me in the comment section. I'll really improve it, and I really appreciate it that you're trying to help me to improve my English speaking skills, right? So in today's video I'm going to speak about the new word. Basically, I will started learning of the new words, right? So first, revise previous. So constantly you have to go constantly. Instantly, I instantly went there. Suddenly somebody came and asking help from me, and unfortunately I can't go there. Fortunately, I should attend your birthday party. And surely I'll be there. Providentially, yes, it is providentially happened. Ironically, our today's word is ironically. Ironically means that's something which you are expressing in a very, at a very funny moment. Something you are expressing, like somebody told you that, did you do, have you done this? Then you ironically said that, yes, if I'll do if my teacher told me for doing this, right? So basically, like, if for an example, if your teacher told that, could you you basically suppose that you are a 12th class student and your teacher is telling you that, teach second class student, then you ironically say that, yes, ironically if I get a student of the second class, then I can teach at a very funny moment, right? So basically that is the thing what is actually happened. And till yet this is actually happened. And yeah, from now I'll revise the previous vocabulary that I used to learn. Now I'm just revising all the vocabulary, right? So let's start. इस समय, एज ऑफ नाउ, कैसे भी, एनी हाउ, छिपाना, कंसील, नीलाम इज ऑक्शन, रद्द कर देना, रिसाइंड, सहमति, कंसेंट, प्रदान करना, रेंडर, उपचार, रेमेडी, चिंतन, कंटेम्पलेशन, छत, रूफ, छत, terrace. I'm little confused between them, roof and terrace. Which one we have to use where and which one we have to use where? Brahma Muhurat is VRs. Atmavishwas, self-confidence. Sahas, courage. Samarpan, dedication. Vinamrata, humility. Abhar, gratitude. Sanyam, self-control. Santosh, contentment. Swasthya, health. नींद, स्लीप, दिनचर्या, रूटीन. ईमानदारी, इंटेग्रिटी. आनंद, जॉय. सकारात्मकता, पॉजिटिविटी. विश्राम, रेस्ट. भतीजा, नेफ्यू. भतीजी, नीस. परिचय देना, इंट्रोड्यूस. पेशा, ऑक्यूपेशन. छुट्टी, वैकेशन. रहना, स्टे. सुझाव, सजेशन. जबकि, वाइल, फूंक मारना, ब्लो, प्राप्त करना, गेटिंग, आस पास, अराउंड, आर पार, एक्रॉस, जब तक, अंटिल, क्षमा करें, एक्सक्यूज मी, उत्तम, परफेक्ट, सलाद, सैलेड, निष्क्रिय, इनएक्टिव, इधर उधर भटकना, रोम, ध्यान केंद्रित करना, कंसंट्रेट, जोर, इंसिस्टिंग, विचार, पॉन्डर्स, राजी करना, कन्विंस, लाड़ प्यार, पैम्पर्ड, कोई खबर नहीं, क्लूलेस, कुशल, एफिशिएंट, इस तरह, हैंड्स, जैसे भी, हाउएवर, मरम्मत, मेंडिंग, सुन ली, ओवरहर्ड, निरीक्षण, ऑब्जर्व, निकल जाना, एस्केप, सक्षम, कॉम्पिटेंट, छोटा, यंगर, अंदर, इनसाइड, अनुरोध, रिक्वेस्ट, संस्कृति, कल्चर, जिद्दी, स्टबर्न, चिंतित, वरीड, धीरे धीरे, ग्रेजुअली, समझदार, वाइज, रखना, रोक रोक रखना, डिटेन, नीचा दिखाना, ह्यूमिलिएट, पिछला, प्रीवियस, मन में बिठाना, इनकुलेट, व्यवहारिक, प्रैग्मेटिक, मासूका, स्वीट हार्ट, गले लगाना, हग, महबूबा, बिलव्ड, सचेत, जागरूक, कॉन्शियस, विनम्र, पोलाइट, मलाई, क्रीम, बहाव, फ्लो, गेंद, बॉल, पतंग, काइट, गुलाब, रोज, द्वारा, बाय, चाहेंगे, वुड, गंध, स्मेल, मिठाई, स्वीट, बांध, बाइंड, स्थानीय, लोकल, ग्रामीण, रूरल, नष्ट होने वाला, पेरिसेबल, गिलहरी, स्क्वायरर, अधिकारी, ऑफिशियल, बुझाना, क्वेंच, प्यासा, थर्स्टी, घबराहट, पैनिक, जीतना, कॉन्कर, मूर्ख, स्टूपिड, केकड़ा, क्रैब, भाप, स्टीम, गोबर, काउडंग, मोमबत्ती इज कैंडल, खींचन, खींचन, खींचना, I have written here खींचन. Let me correct it. Yes, now it is खींचना. खींचना means stretch. खींचना means stretch. खींचो, पुल, धकेलना, पुश, खड़ा हो जाओ, स्टैंड अप, अफसर, अपॉर्चुनिटी, बदमाश, गैंगस्टर, अंगूठा, थंब, पटाखे, क्रैकर्स, पिचकारी, पिचर, सूंघना, स्निफ, मिलाना, मिक्स, कढ़ाई धागा, एम्ब्रॉयडरी थ्रेड, गपसप, गॉसिप्स, पीना, ड्रिंक, खाई गड्ढा, डिच, कदम, स्टेप, अजीब, ऑकवर्ड, सामना करना, फैटिग, सामना करना इज स्ट्रक एंड थकावट इज फैटिग. दोनों में से एक, ईदर, सुनिश्चित करें, मेक श्योर, जबकि, whereas, आर पार, across. So basically guys, this is the what I have done today. Firstly, I have discussed about my routine, like what I have done today, and after that I have discussed about new words. Basically nowadays, day by day, I'm learning new words for daily speaking, right? So if I start from very first, that is constantly, instantly, and suddenly, unfortunately, fortunately, and after that I think oh, say sixth, I don't know, sixth word is surely or certainly, and second is providentially, and today what we have learned, that is ironically. So, and after that I have trying to revise the previous vocabulary that I used to learn. So yeah guys, this is the thing what is actually happened today. I hope you have really understood this video. So I think that it is enough for today. So let's end the video, guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.